Thank you again for coming to this Capstone Festival. My name is Nicole Irigoyen, and I would like to talk to you about my capstone, which is the graphic identity for Mariposa MoXie. Mariposa MoXie is a local nonprofit based out of Monterey here. It is a brand new organization, and this is my client right here, Michelle Slade. The organization is a nonprofit that supports women surviving cancer. So the problem was that they had no organized solution. They had no marketing materials, they had a logo, but it wasn't very friendly, and it was just an overall in-need organization, and they had a low-functioning website as well. So the solution was to create a graphic identity. So what does that mean? It means we created 3 different logo concepts that we eventually did present to the clients. We did full stationery for each of those concepts, as well as marketing materials to get the brand out about the name, a website redesign, and a graphic standards guide. So the design process consisted of several different phases. The first phase was research. So we researched companies similar to Mariposa MoXie, like cancer organizations, nonprofit organizations with butterfly logos, and then from that, after brainstorming, we began to hand draw different sketches to get an idea of where we wanted the logo to go. After that, we changed the hand sketches into digital sketches and began to vectorize the logos. And then through many critiques and professor feedback and client feedback, we finished with 3 concepts. This is my symbol dominant logo, the type dominant logo, and the illustration based logo. And the illustration based logo was the one that the client chose. This is the stationery set for my logo. The graphic standards guide was mentioned a little bit earlier, but it's basically a manual that shows the client and other designers that may take over the project later how to correctly use the logo and branding. The tools that I mainly used for this project were Illustrator to create graphics and vectored logos, InDesign to work with layouts, magazines, and publications, Photoshop for image manipulation and mock-ups, and of course Word for accessibility so that I could give her templates so that she could use them in the future. So what I learned from this project, I did get a lot of real-life experience. It is a year-long project, so we did learn a lot about project management. I learned how to interact with my client and keep professional working relationships, and through that, I learned communication skills in the professional world. And finally, I learned how to accept client feedback and use it as constructive criticism to better myself and my designs. Thank you so much. If you would like to learn more, please visit room 164.